Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, in the second video today let's take a look in the gold market as usual. So you can see the price action not really very significant, market behaves relatively quiet, and we're still watching for two major events on the gold market. First event is the completion of the major COP target that has not been hit yet in 1283. That is important moment for those of you who trade on intraday charts and searching chance to go long on the gold market with a probable scalp or short-term trade or possible pullback. So here guys, situation stands relatively tricky because take a look at the first glance, you could recognize the kind of the hand shoulders here. It's a bit skew, but not really very clear, but something from the hand shoulders we see here. At the same time, existence of the uncompleted COP target right here, reversal candle here. This reversal candle, as you can see, market creates the new top, compares to previous one, and close below its lows. And here we see that engulfing of the mostly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles before this one. And it looks bearish, guys. And appearing on the reversal session, reversal candle suggests some downward continuation. Finally, we see here a sign of the bearish dynamic pressure, because take a look, market is forming lower tops, but trend stands bullish, and it's very often leads to the drop below these lows, taking out of these lows. This is the minimal target of the dynamic pressure. For the daily traders, for our major setup, this is really not a big deal, because we do not want to trade gold market long right now. We're mostly watching for retracement that should start as soon as the COP target will be hit. So we are watching for hitting of the COP and then for a retracement up. Currently our major destination points 13 even, because we have the confluence resistance, the 50% of this nasty black candle that also works as a resistance. And take a look, here is also weekly pivot point, so a very nice resistance cluster. And the 30% pullback should be enough for reaction for the minor target. It's a COP. That's why we're not really very too worried about how this action will happen, so in what manner market will hit the COP and how retracement will start, or maybe retracement will start right now and just ignoring of the COP. This is not really big deal for daily setup that we have, because we are watching for pullback as a chance to go short with the further downward continuation to the 1260 with this large ABCD pattern. But for the daily intraday traders, that is a crucial moment. Personally, guys, I do not want to take a long position in the current environment until market will hit COP, or at least maybe I will see another signs that market will not hit the COP. So, but if we suggest that market will take it out of this top in the raising of this setup, it will be too close to the target, and it will be not very attractive trade from the risk-reward point of view. So it means that we either should wait for reaching the COP around 1280, or probably we will have to ignore this scalp upward action. So that was what we have on for our time frame chart. Here is also, guys, you can see another butterfly could be formed, the possible reaching of the target. So it could become left wing, it could become starting of the right wing, because our initial butterfly that we are talking about was not completed. So from that standpoint, we probably could watch for another butterfly, something of that sort. So another minor butterfly could be formed here, but the target will be approximately the same. On the hourly chart, guys, here is also, it's a very tricky action. The things that suggest the drop stands with the pace of this leg. So as we talked about it yesterday, actually. So you can see here and here the upward action stands relatively fast, and here it's too slow That was our reversal session. And here currently we see minor gutless triple to sell pattern was forming. That's at least something that we have. Would not call you to take the short position right now and trade in general market to the short side. But that's this just add-on to the picture that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart that looks currently bearish. So that being said, for daily traders and for the daily setup, we're still sitting on the hands and waiting when the market will show the pullback reaction in the COP target. If you would like to take the long position in the current environment, at our view is the best solution is waiting for completion of the COP target around 1280. Because in this case, at least you will have on the back completed target, you will have a bullish reversal pattern, which is a butterfly. That will let you to take the position at least having something on your back where you could place your stop and just could work as the context for you. In the current moment right here, taking long position, well, it's mostly reminds the gambling suggestion of the possible immediate some surprising upward action. Well, that's what we see currently on the gold market. So if you would like to take the short position here, well, you could try, but it's also not very safe. Only if you will use this minor pattern, will placing stop somewhere above the reversal candle top. So maybe this pattern could work. But this is very short-term trade, and it's too short for our context, too short for our video that we're talking mostly about the 4-hour time frame chart, daily chart. So let's see what we will get. Probably some volatility should come because we have the important statistics ahead. So tomorrow will be non-farm payrolls release. Well, gold market probably should show some action.